Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make yogurt candy. First, gather your ingredients: plain yogurt, a sweetener like honey or maple syrup, and any flavorings you desire, such as fruit puree or vanilla extract. Next, prepare your molds. Silicone molds work best, or you can line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Make sure everything is clean and dry before you begin. Now, let's mix our yogurt base. In a medium bowl, combine your plain yogurt with your chosen sweetener. Stir these together until well incorporated. This is also the time to add your flavorings. For example, you could use a few tablespoons of fruit puree or a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix everything until the consistency is smooth and uniform. Once your yogurt mixture is ready, it's time to pour it into your prepared molds. Fill each cavity carefully or spread it evenly on your parchment-lined tray. Gently tap the molds on the counter a few times to release any trapped air bubbles. Then, place the molds in the freezer for at least 2 to 3 hours or until the yogurt candy is completely firm. After your yogurt candy is completely frozen, it's time to demold it. If using silicone molds, simply pop them out. If you used a tray, break or cut the candy into desired pieces. Store your delicious yogurt candy in an airtight container in the freezer. They make a refreshing and healthy treat that can be enjoyed anytime you like.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.